Porch here, 6 foot by 12 foot. We've got the frame up, 4x4s in the ground. We're getting ready to put some cement in the hose and put the floor joists in.
We're gonna run to Cinnamon. We're gonna run to.
Got the floor joists in now. We're getting ready to put stiffeners in the center of them, and we're gonna start on the steps. The steps completed on this side. Got about all the deck and lumber down. We still gotta go get some more. We run out. We built the porch a little bit bigger than what she wanted, but it's looking pretty good. We still gotta build steps on the other end over there too, and put handrails around it. Finally got the deck done. Got everything done on it. It's looking good. If everyone likes what I'm doing here on this channel, please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell in the bottom corner so you can see more future content. Thank you.